Jainar and Vyas, let me ask you this, and let me just read out what Rajnath Singh said. Most of his remarks were fairly innocuous. It's an important visit of the BJP president to the United States. But this one remark, which seems to have irked several senior leaders within your party, is as follows. He is one single leader with a national appeal. His popularity will help the party in the elections. He is one single leader with a national appeal. So therefore, what about Mr. Advani? What about Mr. Joshi, Sushma Swaraj, Jaswant Singh? In one go, it seems as if Mr. Rajnath Singh seems to have put them on a second tier. How would you respond?
Well, I think if you recollect on 6th of April, when our national president was here on account of the BJP's Foundation Day at Ahmedabad, he elaborated on this and said that there is no doubt that Mr. Narendra Modi is tallest amongst all the BJP leaders, most popular amongst all, and therefore he preferred that he will speak before him and then permit him to have the final concluding session. So I think he made it abundantly clear right on the foundation day itself, and I don't think there is anything wrong, because now the battlefield is clear, the armies are getting organized. He is now appointed as the general to lead the army in the field. I think any kind of a doubt in the mind of party president could only be disastrous. So I think.
So therefore, sir, that's an interesting analogy, and let me ask you this question. Let me ask you this, Mr. Vyas. He is the general to lead the BJP army, is what you are saying. So therefore, would it be dereliction of duty on the part of Mr. Advani, Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi, Sushma Swaraj, and Jaswant Singh for raising these questions, which apparently they are raising? And sir, they are raising these questions for quite some time now.
I don't think one should rush into that conclusion. They also have a role to play, and they shall be playing the role at an appropriate time, whatever is their part of the, or their share of the role to be played. I don't think that is this, the one need to rush into the conclusion that his elevation to this position is at the cost of eliminating everybody else, and therefore this is now amply clear that he and nobody else. I don't think that's the intention which the party president might have at the back of his mind.
Okay,
because he has more than once clarified on this issue.
Yes, fair enough. Let me just get Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi over here.
Yes, Vishnu.
Dr. Singhvi, Jainar and Vyas basically saying and repeating in a sense what Rajnath Singh has said, that Modi is the tallest among leaders. So why are we over-analyzing this one statement that Rajnath Singh has made in the US, which is he is one single leader with a national appeal? Where is the Congress, how does the Congress see this issue? Does it see this as the BJP focusing on the task of identifying its top leader, or does it see this issue as a political party with no real future going into 2014?
See, first of all, Vishnu, as far as Mr. Rajnath Singh is concerned, he can say what he likes within his party, and the Congress is least concerned about it. Secondly, we certainly don't believe in picking up their party line sentences and analyzing them on television. It's your channels who make it a topic for the evening, and we come for that and other topics and we discuss it. But we are certainly not interested in the internal BJP line. What we are interested in is, when you hear the analogy of the army and the general, I was amused to think that if that is so, it already appears that they are in the middle of a mutiny. And a mutiny must be followed by court-martial proceedings, because there is mutiny within the BJP, there is mutiny in the allies, and there is mutiny in various other levels. So it's a pretty ragtag army which is starting off with a mutiny on its hands. As far as the country is concerned, or the rest of the political parties are concerned, yes, there would be relevance.
Yes.
Because if anybody was to suggest that the ideal and the best Prime Minister for the country is Mr. Modi, I think they would be really living in cloud cuckoo land. He has, as I said, a very large, long length of bridges to cross. First, smallest circle is within his party, then is within the allies, and most important of all, there is very grave doubt whether he has any acceptability in
Okay.
the nation.